Ano mo, gunting mo?
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna go get that.
Hi! Another package arrived.
I feel the heavy turning and testing now. I still feel your leg wrapped around my side. It seems sewn and threaded well. My hand
Asa na si Roslyn? Roslyn, are you not ready?
Opo, ma'am. Wait.
Kasi
3 minutes na lang. Tapos, June na. Due date is 7 p.m. to 6:57. Nag-submit ko lang ako.
I wish that I could show you how. It's so seems.
Hindi ko binabasa. Maganda siya, maganda. Like, natamaan ako dito. Yan. Natamaan ako dyan. Which is ko naman, totoo talaga yan. Maraming taong nagtatago. Parang, iwan, basta takot silang malaman kung sino talaga sila. So, they hide. Sa emotionless nila. And, maganda yung book. Tapos, mura ko lang siyang nabili. Kasi ano lang siya, second hand. Second hand siya, so mura ko siyang nabili sa Bookchigo. Nakipag-agawan pa ako dito. Tapos, ito, second hand din. Pero sobrang good condition. Nabili ko lang ito for 200. 200 ba ito? Kaya 250. Ito, 250 ko ito nabili. Sa Bookchigo din, grown-ups. Yan. Maganda nga. Tapos, ito pa. Be yourself another. Ito, nabili ko. Ito lang talaga yung gusto kong libro. Kaso, hindi mo siya mabibili kapag hindi mo pinili yung bundle. Itong bundle na to, 400 pesos na yan. Yan na lahat. 2, 4, 6. Siguro, hindi alam no. Hindi ko alam, pero para alang ata mabili to. Sinama na to. Oo, ano din to, feeling ko ano din to, inspirational sa title pa lang, because if kasi kasi ito yung current ko ngayon, ito yung currently ko binabasa, so ayan. Feeling ko luma na to. Pero may plastic cover siya. Nakaka-red cover. Feeling ko na mga luma na. Tapos, meron na naman akong bisita. Ay! Sino yung nasa door? Sino yung nasa door?
Kuya.
Aray! Tapos na ako school.
I've seen this before. This is the part where you say you want me to. I say I love you, then you go under. Ooh, that's how the story goes. Just wanna let you know, no need to sugarcoat it. It's good old, there's not much to hold. Almost like legal goals. No need to sugarcoat it. Hey, yeah. Psycho for you. Play tricks with my mind like voodoo. Might be a danger to you, but that ain't all new. Emotional clues, that's how the story goes. Just wanna let you know, no need to sugarcoat it. It's getting old, there's not much to uphold. Almost like legal goals, no need to sugarcoat it. Hey, yeah.
Hi, Taba! How are you, Taba?
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right, but it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous. Factors will break your heart, 'cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules. And I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up.